It starts with
one thing. I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try.
The AirPods lineup just got a major refresh with the introduction of the AirPods 4 and the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. These new models are replacing the AirPods 2 and AirPods 3 in Apple's lineup, and they're bringing some exciting new features along with them. But the real question is, are these updates enough to justify upgrading? Whether you're someone who values great sound, long battery life, or cutting-edge tech like personalized spatial audio and ANC, I'm here to help you figure out which model is right for you. Let's start by looking at what's new compared to what we had. The standard AirPods 4 are replacing the aging AirPods 2. The most notable upgrade is the introduction of the H2 chip, which brings personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. This gives you an immersive listening experience no matter what you're doing, whether it's watching a movie or listening to music. Apple also replaced the old double tap gesture with a much more comfortable force sensor, which makes controlling playback or calls a lot easier. And with the new USB-C charging case, you get 30 hours of listening time, up from 24 hours on the AirPods 2. Then there's the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation, which are replacing the AirPods 3. Now, the biggest and most obvious addition here is, of course, active noise cancellation. This is a huge leap forward for an open ear design. The AirPods 4 with ANC also introduce adaptive audio and transparency mode, which automatically adjusts your sound settings based on your environment, giving you a balanced experience whether you want to block out noise or stay aware of your surroundings. Battery life does take a slight hit compared to the AirPods 3, but the added features, I think, more than make up for it. So whether you're looking for better audio performance, improved controls, or the cutting edge ANC tech, these new models offer a significant upgrade over their predecessors. That said, we should talk about the comparison between the AirPods 4 and AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation, because it's not just active noise cancellation that sets these two pairs of AirPods apart. Now, as I mentioned, both models come equipped with the H2 chip, which powers a host of audio enhancements. This includes adaptive EQ, which fine-tunes music in real time based on how the AirPods fit in your ears. So whether you're watching a movie or on a FaceTime call, the sound feels like it's coming from all around you. In terms of design, both models have been refined for comfort. Apple says it's done a lot of work analyzing millions of ear shapes, and as a result, these AirPods sit more securely in your ear than before. Now, I'm not sure what's changed there with the measurement method of people's ears, because Apple said the same thing when they introduced the wired EarPods way back in 2012, but I digress. The AirPods 4 also come with IP54 water, sweat, and dust resistance, meaning they're tough enough for workouts and outdoor use. Battery life is impressive on both models. The standard AirPods 4 give you up to 5 hours of listening time on a single charge, and the AirPods 4 with ANC offer the same with noise cancellation turned off. With it turned on, the battery life drops slightly to 4 hours per charge. Both models come with a USB-C charging case, RIP Lightning, which gives you up to 30 hours of total listening time for the AirPods 4 and up to 20 hours with ANC on for the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. Another cool feature is voice isolation, which helps make your voice clearer during calls by minimizing background noise. Both also support Siri voice commands with the added ability to just say Siri instead of hey. And whichever model you choose, you're going to get great sound quality and the latest in Apple's audio tech. That said, there are some key differences between these two AirPods 4 models that I don't think the blanket term active noise cancellation covers, despite that being the headline differentiator, because ANC powers a few other key features. This is the first time Apple has brought ANC to an open ear design, and it works by reducing low frequency noises like city traffic or airplane engines, so you can enjoy your music at lower volumes without losing sound quality. While it may not block out noise as completely as the AirPods Pro with ear tips, which are still twice as good in that regard, it still does a great job for an open ear design. But the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation have another trick up their sleeve: adaptive audio. This feature intelligently adjusts the levels of ANC and transparency mode based on your surroundings. So for example, if you're in a quiet room, it'll lower the ANC, but walk outside into a noisy environment, it'll automatically dial up that noise cancellation. This ensures a seamless listening experience no matter where you are. Transparency mode is another feature exclusive to the AirPods 4 with ANC, and it's great especially if you're someone who wants to stay aware of your surroundings. With transparency mode activated, you can hear everything happening around you while still listening to your audio. And this is perfect for situations like walking in busy streets or having quick conversations without removing your AirPods. And speaking of conversations, the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation come with a feature called conversation awareness. When you start speaking, the AirPods will automatically lower the volume of whatever you're listening to and enhance the voices around you so you can seamlessly engage in conversations. Once you stop talking, your audio returns back to its normal level. Another big advantage is the charging case. The AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation come with a USB-C charging case that also supports wireless charging with both Apple Watch and Qi certified chargers. It's also equipped with a built-in speaker that helps you locate your case using the Find My app, which is fantastic if you tend to misplace things. The standard AirPods 4 case does not have that speaker built in. These additional features make the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation a more premium option compared to the standard version because it offers a more immersive and adaptable listening experience with the extra convenience features built into the case. So, which model should you choose? If you're someone who mainly uses AirPods for casual listening, whether it's music, podcasts, or phone calls, the standard AirPods 4 are likely all you need. They're lighter on your wallet and still pack the punch of Apple's latest H2 chip, offering excellent sound quality with features like personalized spatial audio and voice isolation. For most people, this will be more than enough for day-to-day use. However, if you find yourself often in noisy environments like commuting, working in a busy office, or traveling frequently, the AirPods 4 with ANC might be worth the extra investment. The active noise cancellation feature allows you to focus more on your music or work without distractions, and adaptive audio ensures you get the right level of noise control for your surroundings. Yes, you do sacrifice a bit of battery life with ANC turned on, but with it off, all things are equal. And for when you're in a quick chat or needing to stay aware of traffic, the transparency mode and conversation awareness features make a real difference in how you interact with the world around you while wearing your AirPods. In the end, if you value a quieter, more immersive experience, the AirPods 4 with ANC are the better option. But if you don't need those extras, the standard AirPods 4 will deliver great performance at a lower price. Let me know in the comments below which model you're leaning towards. If you have any questions, you can leave them down there as well, or jump into our brand new community area here on the YouTube channel, where now anyone, not just me, can start a new conversation. Thanks for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andru, and I will catch you in the next video.